Are you looking for the best scooter for tricks? In this video we will look at some of the best scooter for tricks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Fuzion X-3 Pro Scooter. One of the most well-liked entry-level professional scooters is the Fuzion X-3 Stunt Scooter, and for good reason. Few other scooters offer the same level of performance, handling, and build quality for the money. The X3 has excellent handling and is tough enough to withstand some significant abuse in the skate park. This is the greatest choice if your tween or teen wishes to try stunt scooting for the first time. Numerous other, cheap, stunt scooters are just unsuitable for performing real stunts. The Fuzion X3 is light and robust, and it rides smoothly. When considered collectively, these characteristics imply that a beginner can learn techniques and make significant progress toward pro level before thinking about upgrading from the X3. The steel handlebar is 18.5 broad and has a set height. Riders under the age of 9 will find this to be tall. To accommodate aluminum handlebars, replaceable, soft composite grips are available in standard sizes. These aren't the highest quality, and they immediately started to appear worn. A plastic cap is present at the handlebar's ends as protection. Number 2. Arcade Pro Scooter. With attitude and flair, Arcade invites novice riders and budding shredders to the next level of action sports. The Pro Scooter from the Arcade is our second choice because of this. One of the most secure beginner trick scooters available. And the reason for that is that this professional scooter is loaded with popular custom parts. The Arcade is designed to take kids easily from novice to pro with strong 3D, stamped forks, a bespoke neck, smooth bearings, a robust deck, and a dynamic design. If your bearings are sticky, you can't glide. While the majority of entry-level kick scooters have subpar non-rated bearings, the Arcade Defender has a BEC 7 bearings. Additionally, they lined up an 83-degree head tube and wrapped unique 117mm TPR grips around the strengthened T-bars for a secure ride while you glide. You might also swap out our 100mm polycarbonate wheels for 110mm ones because the fork and brake are modified. Number 3. VOKUL K1 Pro Scooters. Without a VOKUL scooter, the best trick scooters list would be pointless, right? Since 2000, VOKUL Manufacture has specialized in the pro scooter industry. More than 50,000 pro scooters are sold out on Amazon each year. The intermediate and advanced extreme riders are the target market for the VOKUL Z250 Freestyle Pro Scooter. The deck contains reinforced T6 heat-treated forging plates to offer a lightweight, enhanced strength, and stabilize the deck. It is composed of 6061 aviation-grade aluminum alloy and has a Y-bar. The bottom of the deck has a smooth surface that has been specifically polished and is ideal for grinding. To guarantee stability and safety, it also has a concealed FSA Orbit C headset with a triple bolt clamp. Number 4. Apollo Genious 4.0 Pro. Finally, a freestyle stunt scooter that is safe for children and teenagers and reinforced for tricks and stunt riding. It's an all-in-one scooter solution that attracts attention because of its stylish design and premium construction. A trick scooter that can be used for stunts, halfpipes, tricks, and skate parks all around the world is called the Apollo Stunt Scooter. The Apollo Stunt Scooter may be used to its full capacity by ambitious beginners, age 6+, experienced riders, and professional scooter athletes. Rider weight up to 220 lbs. There is nothing worse than a scooter without a grip, as any scooter enthusiast is aware. If you lose control of your scooter halfway down a halfpipe, you'll tumble. Due to this, we designed this scooter with a non-slip tread and ribbed TRR Apollo Super Grips. Now you can guarantee complete control of the scooter while doing a trick so you never again put your body at risk. Number 5. Fuzion Z250 Pro. Fuzion scooters, which began their adventure in Oakland, California, in 2004, have grown to be a well-known name in the US for wheeled scooters. Their commitment to innovation and excitement is shown in the rigorous development processes that all of their goods go through. Everywhere in the globe, they put their trick scooters to the test with pros, and the Fuzion Z250 is no different. Despite being a more recent addition to Fuzion's repertoire, it has grown immensely popular since its introduction. For its smoother, more balanced ride, this scooter has received great marks from hundreds, if not thousands, of riders. The Fuzion Z250 is built with premium aluminum, unlike normal scooters. Despite being designed with children and teenagers in mind, any adult weighing up to 220 pounds may ride it without any problems. Almost all upgrades and aftermarket parts work with the scooter. So, it can satisfy all the requirements when your child has to advance his or her skills. Other than this, the Fuzion Z250 requires very little assembly. Just 2 bolts from your ends need to be tightened. It takes 2 minutes.